Black Friday is just a couple weeks away, and if you're not prepared yet, this is your absolute last chance. Every year since 2019, I've used this same exact strategy to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars across my brands. In this video, I'll show you how to prepare to make tens of thousands of dollars this Black Friday, even if you're starting late. My name's Alex if you're new. When you're ready, let's get right into it. All right guys, remember, it all starts with your product. You can't fix a bad product with good marketing. You need a proven winner. So if you don't already have a product to sell this Black Friday, I have 3 different places you can check. Number 1, check out Zik Analytics product research tool to find high revenue Shopify winners in just a couple minutes. You can use tools like their store finder or their product explorer to find winning products that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars for other sellers right now. Number 2, you can look on TikTok Shop for trending products with real sales, reviews, and content creators posting daily. Products that are hot on TikTok Shop will typically perform well everywhere else, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, or wherever. And of course, you can check the Facebook ads library. You can search terms like get yours here, shop now, or perfect gift to find dropshipping products that are working for other sellers. You're looking for what's working right now, not last year. If it's scaling in November, you can sell it right up until Black Friday, Cyber Monday. And of course, you want to focus on products that are giftable, problem solving, or seasonal during the holidays. Those explode during Black Friday. So after you have your product selected, you need to build an irresistible offer around it. You need to create an offer so good, your customers feel stupid saying no to it. Winning products only work if your offer is strong. The perceived value has to be way higher than the price they're paying. And the best way to build your offer is to check what others are doing. Analyze their ads, bundles, free bonuses, upsells, timers, or whatever else they use. And then create your own twist on it. You can even combine some things. Like for example, you could create a bundle, discount, and scarcity combo. You could say something like 50% off plus your free gift ends at midnight. But the point is, if everybody's offering 50% off, you need a strong hook, like a strong bonus or an angle that just makes your brand stand out. So once you have your product and offer in place, you need to optimize your store for conversions. Basically, you just need to make sure your landing page displays your offer clearly. You need to make sure everything's upfront and transparent and communicated to your customer. You don't want to leave any what ifs or have your customers asking any questions. And one of the best ways to do this is an FAQ section at the bottom of your page. But your product page should instantly communicate the value of your product. You need clear visuals, concise copy, and no clutter. You want to add conversion elements like scarcity or urgency timers, social proof like reviews and UGC videos on your landing page, or even trust badges, but ensure you just have an overall clean design. So don't test new themes right now, just polish what's working and make sure your checkout process is as smooth as possible. So after that, you need to prepare all your high converting creatives. This is what drives all the traffic to your store, and your ads are everything. This is the first impression every customer gets of your brand. So use a mix of UGC videos like organic, testimonials, or lifestyle content. And of course, use what's already working right now. Always look at your competitors' ads on Facebook and TikTok and model what's already working. There's no reason you need to reinvent the wheel. And if you've ran ads before, just retest your best performing ones. You just want to tweak them with updated Black Friday offers and hooks. So that's everything you need to do up front to start driving sales. But now let's talk about what you need to do behind the scenes. Things that most people skip over and your customers never see. But these are by far some of the most important steps. So let's get into them. You want to make sure you strengthen the back end of your business. This is your emails, your flows, and your data tracking. This is really going to help you monetize the traffic that you already have. So you want to start by setting up promotional email blasts every day or every other day from Thanksgiving to Cyber Monday. And you can even email your customers multiple times per day. If you don't feel like you're annoying your customers, you're not doing enough marketing. Because some brands will only send 2 emails a month and everyone forgets about their brand, where others will send 30 emails a month. Which one do you think drives more sales? And if somebody's going to get annoyed by your content anyways, you don't want them subscribed to your list. You only want your high converting, engaging audience to stay on there. So of course you want to have your welcome flows and your abandoned cart series set up and ready to go. That way you're not missing out on any form of revenue. Those 2 email flows alone can make up over 30% of your revenue. So you really don't want to miss out on these. And of course, use tracking tools like Triple Whale to understand your data so you know exactly what's working and you can double down fast. During Black Friday and Cyber Monday, the speed of your decision making is everything. You don't want to wait days to cut bad performing ads or scale your winners. You have to move quick if you want to make money. So next up, you need to find a reliable private supplier or dropshipping agent if you don't already have have one. This will help you avoid disaster when your orders start to spike. The last thing you want is delays or to run out of inventory when your orders start to flood in. So I use trusted agents like TeemDrop that can handle volume, ship fast, and brand all of my products with my logo. You can connect your Shopify store to them with one click, source products from their catalog or even suppliers on 1688 or Taobao, and communicate with your supplier daily through WhatsApp. You need to have strong supplier communication if you want to grow your business. You truly can't be left in the dark by this. I see so many dropshippers try to scale brands with AliExpress suppliers, and their business comes crumbling down as soon as they start to scale. You have suppliers that simply can't keep up with the demand, and others will just send out fake tracking numbers altogether. Just avoid this entirely and find a reputable supplier. And always talk to your agent before Black Friday. Make sure they're able to fulfill your projected demand. So when Black Friday gets here, it's time to scale aggressively during Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend. This is really where you're gonna execute under pressure. But if you do things right, you can make 10, 20, even $100,000 this weekend. You just need discipline and a strategy. So when Black Friday hits, this is go time. You want to increase the budget on your best performing ads 2 to 3 times. Sometimes I even 5x my ad spend that day. You want to keep your Black Friday offer front and center in every ad you create, every email you send out, or every social media post you make. You want to communicate it clearly in every form of content you put out there. And of course, you need to keep a consistent timeline. You have your early access deals that typically start a few days before Black Friday. Then you have your Black Friday weekend sale, where this is full push and heavy urgency. And then you have your Cyber Monday promo. This is like a last chance or a new bonus, or even an extended deal for just one more day. But don't pause what's working. Just layer in urgency and new creatives to keep your momentum going. You want to stay aggressive and keep your foot on the gas this entire weekend. Don't let off. And of course, after all this is said and done, you don't want to give up there. So once Black Friday and Cyber Monday is over, retarget everybody that's ever purchased or interacted with your brand. Run holiday upsells, new bundles, or even early Christmas deals. This is how I've consistently stretched Black Friday profits for weeks, every single year. And that's how you can get the most out of this holiday season too. Just copy that exact strategy, step by step. So there's 7 parts to a strong Black Friday promotion. You have your product, your offer, your store, your creatives, your backend, your supplier, and then scaling everything. Black Friday happens once a year, and this is your final shot to get ready for it. So if this video helped you in any way, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more, and comment what you want me to cover next. I have a ton of helpful resources for you linked down below. Don't miss out on any of those. And that's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.